In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pop-up form in Wix 2026 guide. A pop-up form, also called a lightbox, is perfect for capturing leads or promoting signups, and I'll walk you through creating one that looks great and works smoothly. First, open your Wix dashboard. From there, click the Design Site button to enter the website editor. This takes you into the place where all your pages, elements, and settings live, and it's where we'll build the pop-up. Next, we'll add the lightbox itself. On the left toolbar, click the Add Elements button, the one with the plus icon. Find the interactive section, then open Lightboxes. Browse the designs and pick one that fits your brand's style. When you click it, Wix adds the lightbox to your site, layered over your page content, ready to customize. Now let's tailor the content. If the template comes with placeholder text or images you don't need, go ahead and clear them out for a clean slate. To add your form, click Add Elements again and choose Contact and Forms. Select a form style you like, then drag it into the lightbox. Watch for the Attach to Lightbox prompt. This is important because it ensures the form is actually part of the pop-up and not floating on the page behind it. Once it's attached, drag to reposition it so everything feels balanced and easy to read. Keep fields concise and labels clear to encourage more completions. With the content in place, set how and where your pop-up appears. Click on the lightbox and choose Set Triggers. Here you can select which pages it appears on and whether there's a delay before it shows. A short delay can feel less intrusive while still catching attention. You can also decide how visitors close it, toggle the X icon, or add a dedicated close button for extra clarity. If you need to get back to the pop-up later, open the page menu at the top of the editor and look for its name, like subscribe or join our list. Let's style the background. Click the design brush icon to change the look. You can choose solid colors, stock images, videos, or upload your own media. Aim for strong contrast so your form fields and buttons are easy to see and accessible. Finally, click Preview in the top right. Wait for the site to load and confirm the pop-up triggers as expected and the form fields work properly. Test on the pages you selected and with any delay you set. That's it. Your Wix pop-up form is ready to engage visitors and grow your list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.